Lights come on automatically. The press of a single switch sets the perfect movie night. This is my smart home setup for 2026. It's all on a budget and I'll be showing you how it works every day. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Michael. I've been slowly building a smart home on a budget, and I've been focusing on devices and automations that actually make life easier and not just smarter. I didn't start thinking that I was going to have the perfect smart home or I was going to be fully automated, but one of the most important things for me was convenience. Imagine opening a door and going in, the light comes on automatically, and when you leave, the light goes off. Too many times I've entered rooms, turned on the light switch, and forgot to turn it off, either because I forgot or because I had too many things I was carrying and just couldn't turn it off. But with smart home, that has become a problem of the past now. And also imagine being able to set the mood in a particular room at any point in time and from anywhere in the house. Smart home has given me the convenience to be able to do this from wherever I am in the house. Also, one of the things that smart home has helped me to do is to track my energy use. I'm able to track every single appliance power draw and save money in the long run. In the kitchen, I use a mix of motion and presence sensors so the lights come on automatically the moment someone walks in. The presence sensors make sure the lights don't turn off while someone is still here, even if you're moving slowly. It sounds simple, but this automation makes a huge difference. And all the devices I use here are budget friendly. This is movie mode. One switch, the lights dim, the right accent light comes on, the TV comes on, and I don't have to touch anything else, just enjoy the movie. This is one thing the smart home helps me with: convenience. Most of my smart home is built around a few core things: lighting, automation, and energy control. I don't try to automate everything, I just automate what I use every day. Lighting has made the biggest difference in my smart home. Once it works, you just forget it's there and it stays in the background. There are also some things that I bought earlier on that I probably wouldn't buy again because some of them just added complexity to what I needed simple. If I was starting again today, what would I do differently? I would say start small. Building a smart home is not about buying all the gadgets or the most expensive things, but it's about getting things that makes life easy for you. A smart home should reduce thinking and not add more. I'll break these setups down in a future video. I'll be showing you what exactly my setup is and why it works. If you're building a smart home or you're just starting out, subscribe. I'll be showing you what works, I'll be showing you what doesn't, and how to do this without wasting money. See you.